Finding this peaceful, present awareness within as you settle into your meditative position. Seated wherever you are, close your eyes. Taking a deep breath in and a long exhale out. Feel the heaviness in your eyes. Let your face completely relax. Let go. Surrender into this beautiful presence of love and tranquility. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe deeply into your heart and take this moment to send gratitude to yourself for finding this time in your day and dedicating it to your well-being. If you're joining me as part of the Boho Beautiful 14-day mindfulness journey, welcome to day 11. Breathe in and let it go. Let the heaviness release from your shoulders. Let the tension drop away. Begin to dissolve away as you continue to focus on the simple sensations of your inhalation and exhalation. Inhale and exhale. There is a beautiful feeling, an energy force that births from within when we are able to completely open ourselves to the energy, the flow of life that is around us. To let whatever is meant to come enter our lives, to teach us everything that we need to know in this moment, allowing us to then take these lessons onward and forward through the continuation of this journey, to give us strength to let go of the weight that may be pulling us down through all these years. The pain, regret, disappointment, all of which is in the past now. This energy of life gives us the power to move through these wounds and heal them. So take this moment right now and open yourself to the fluidity and motion of this powerful energy. Take a deep breath in. Feel the sensation of the air entering your nose, connecting deeply with this pranic energy of life as it enters your body, in and out. Prana, the universal life force, the invisible vibration that moves through you with each inhalation and exhalation. The energy that flows through you, energizes you, filling you with power, strength, and love. Let it come. Welcome it into your heart. Open yourself to the healing of your own breath, and then let it flow. Easy, with no restriction. Don't overanalyze it, just connect to it. Connect to the center, to this alignment. Feel it, and let it flow. Breathe in and breathe out. Let yourself flow deeper into this inner stillness, and as you go within, feel free to use the following mantra if your mind becomes distracted by thoughts or any other external distractions around you. I let it come. I let it go. I let it flow. I let it come. I let it go. I let it flow. And now silently in your mind, as you let go and go within, It's time to release your mantra. Slowly and gently begin to bring your awareness back to your breath, back to your body. Deep breath in. Long exhale out. Feel free to sit in this beautiful energy that you've cultivated from within for as long as you need to, opening your eyes whenever you are ready. Thank you so much for joining me today. From my heart to yours, with love and gratitude. Namaste. This guided meditation is part of the Boho Beautiful free meditation and yoga program. To sign up for free and receive the entire 2-week program of 28 videos, go to bohobeautiful.life/free yoga. Thank you again for being here with me today. I'm sending you all my love and all my light. Namaste.